Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? How you guys been? Hope you guys are doing well because I'm doing well too. So today is a transformation video, and to kick started, you guys know skin first. So I've done my face already, skin prepped for your brows done. So I'm gonna be starting off with eyeshadow. Okay, so we're just gonna be doing the eyes and then the rest of the skin. So let's head down to the eye. I'm just going to be priming my eye using the House of Tara eyeshadow primer. Like, I've had this primer for like the longest time, since 2013 or so. That's how long I've had this primer. So we're just going to be using that. So I always look up. You guys know I always look up. And now I'm just blending the edges, right? Is that the right word? I'm just blending the edges of the eyeshadow. And now I'm going to be using my Morphe palette, that particular brown shade there. Oh, sorry, are we going to the orange shade first? I said the brown. I'm going to be using that on my inner corner. I switched to a smaller brush because, you know, we need something really small to go into the inner corner. Okay. I'm just going to put it on the inner corner only because I just wanted to give it a pop of, you know, something before we go into the main color of the day. And now the same Morphe palette, I'm going to be using that dark brown shade because we're going for like a smoky brown eye. Okay. You guys, sorry if this voiceover is a bit somehow. My editing app was just making a mess, so I was kind of not following because it wasn't just allowing me actually follow. So please bear that in mind. So now we're just going to pack that brown eyeshadow all over, you know, all over till I'm satisfied. My brow was sticking out. I don't know why. So right now I'm just using my Zikel cosmetic powder to blend out the edges of the brown eyeshadow. I didn't want to use any vibrant color there because I just wanted us to concentrate on just the brown eyeshadow today. So I'm using my powder to act as a transition color. Okay. Then just applying a bit more of the brown. The orange. Why do I keep saying brown? The orange to, you know, I think I lost it while applying the brown. So I just want to make it pop more, even more. So yeah.
I'm a little bit lost now, but somehow I don't want to be anywhere else with anyone else. And you've been getting on my very last nerve, but love hurts, so I'ma say that it's okay with me to just let this be.
And now I'm going to be applying glitter. I'm using my glitter glue. You guys, sorry, I really don't know the name of this glitter glue. I've had it for a while and I just bought it randomly. I don't even know the name. So I'm just going to put that on top of the eyeshadow I've applied. Then I'll be using this glitter as well that I really don't know the name. I just bought it randomly as well. It's a gold glitter. So I'm just going to apply, I've applied my glitter glue already. I'm just going to pat this on top of the glitter glue, you know, just to give it a pop of something. A pop of gold. Yeah. So I'll just keep doing that repeatedly. Apply the glitter glue, put the glitter on top, you know. Yeah. Get to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Please, we need to grow this channel. Please. Still on that, apply your glitter, then top it off with some glitter. What am I saying? Apply your glitter glue and then top it off with some glitter. So I'm going to be doing eyeliner now. This eyeliner too, no name. I just went to the supermarket, I saw it and like, you know, I bought, and it's really nice, it's really good. So I've not done eyeliner in a while, but I decided to do it in this video. And I'm just going to make it really thin because I don't want it to overpower the eyeshadow, okay, that we have created. So just a little bit of wing on the side and we are good to go. Yeah, just a little bit of just that little wing there. You can see what I'm doing right there, right? Yeah, that's what we're talking about. And you know, we'll just take the other part and make sure we meet them both, whatever they shall meet up, you know. You guys know what I'm trying to say, okay? So I'm going to do the remaining part of the other eye and then I'll come back to you guys. I'm just going to do that off camera. And now we are back. So let's continue from where we stopped. Next, moving on, we're going to be doing mascara. Sorry, I picked up my eyebrow gel instead. So we're going to be using mascara, and this is by L'Oreal. Very nice. I love this mascara. Like, what? I love this mascara. It's so black. It doesn't dry up. It's just, you know, it's just perfect. Okay. Anyway, I'll leave in the description box all the products I use, so check that out. Okay. Moving on to blush. Blush, really no name tool. I've had this for a long time. I picked it randomly, and you can see I just like using that particular shade. You know, I don't like my blush too loud, so I just use a particular shade. And see how I'm smiling, like what I don't know, but I smile because that's the way I get, you know, where I want my blush to be exactly. So yeah, moving on to highlight. I'm going to be spraying my face with the TM Essentials Glow Mist. I do this because you have to do this, you know. But if you don't have like a glow mist, you can use your setting spray actually, but make sure it doesn't dry up. Just allow it dry a little, then throw it in your highlighter, and gosh, you're gonna get that pop. Can you guys see how the highlighter is popping? The highlighter is I used this from I can't remember exactly, but I'll leave it in the description box for you guys. So I just did that on the other side too, because you know I want everywhere to be popping evenly.
Trying to work this out. We push and we pull. I hope we don't fall from all of these ups and these downs. I know throughout it all, you're not gonna let me down. I'm holding on to.
So now I'm just using my powder brush to blend everything, okay? You don't want the highlighter just being there unblended. Now for lashes, I'm going to be using these lashes I got from AliExpress, and I'll be using that particular style. It doesn't have a name exactly, but I'm just going to leave the link and the, you know, the name of this particular one in the description box. So then for my lips, I'm going to be using the Wet n Well. This is Wet n Well lip liner in, I can't remember what exactly, so just check the description box for all of them. I'm just going to use that to line my lips because I'm doing a nude lip first, and then I'll switch to red. You guys have seen that in the intro. So I used to, tell me which one you prefer, the red or the nude. And now I'm using this I'm using that particular pink shade. This is a this is a lip palette I got from oh my gosh, I can't remember. I'm just going to be using that on the inner part of my lip because I just want to have that pop of color just there. So I got that like a while ago, and honestly I almost threw it away because I haven't even been using it, but I just brought it out from where I kept like, what? I have so many neutral, beautiful colors here that I can use, and yeah, I've been loving it now. And now I'm going to be using this lip gloss that I don't know the name to, but I love this lip gloss so much, you know. It's just going to take this look to the next level. Like, what? You guys would see. So tell me which lip color you prefer to this look, the nude or the red, okay? I loved both. I really don't know which. I think I even prefer the nude, or I don't know. Yes, I'm feeling myself. I actually fixed my lashes off camera, okay? Sorry. And that's Brian. Brian has woken up and he's already disturbing and scattering everywhere. You guys can hear his voice. He's disturbing. Don't forget to subscribe. So yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Tell me which look you prefer, the red or the nude. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, leave me comments, tell me what videos you want to see more, share, like, okay? Subscribe, you guys. We need to grow this channel. We can do better than this. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, okay? Bye.
don't mean it's a hard thing. Baby, when we're in so deep and we can't control these feelings. I know we've been on hold, trying to work this out. We push and we pull, I hope we don't fall from all of